Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn to use Excel efficiently and straightforwardly. We'll be going over 2 useful methods for inserting a degree symbol in Excel and how to use the symbol with both text and numbers. Are you ready to get started? Let's do it. We can add the degree symbol by using the symbol button. This is the first method we will discuss today. In the table header, you can add the word temperature to indicate the data contained in the table. However, you also want the temperatures shown here are measured in degrees Celsius. To insert a symbol, click on the cell you would like to add it to, then go to the Insert tab and select Symbols. You will find a window that allows you to choose which font you would like to use. To insert the degree symbol, we will use Franklin Gothic Medium. To locate it, scroll down the drop-down menu until you see the degree symbol. Click on it and then hit Insert to add it to your document. That's all it takes. Let's close the window and add a capital C after to indicate that the unit of measure is in Celsius. The second method to add the degree symbol is by modifying the cell formatting. Let's give it a try. It is useful to use this method when working with numbers. However, the symbol must be placed directly after the number in the table. First, highlight the cells that will contain the numbers. Then, right-click on the selection and choose Format Cells from the menu. In this window, we will select the Custom category and then select a type, which allows us to specify the number of decimal places that will be displayed in the values. For example, if we would like to display a number with 2 decimal places, we can type a 0 followed by a period and then add 2 more zeros. For this, we should enter a 0 in the corresponding type field to ensure that the response is a whole number. Yet, we want to add a degree symbol, and to do this, press and hold the Alt key and, at the same time, type 0176 on the numeric keypad. Once you have finished pressing the Alt key, the degree symbol will appear in the desired location. If you don't remember the keyboard shortcut for the degree symbol, you can still easily copy and paste it from another document or website where you have it saved. Let's close the window and copy the symbol from the header by pressing the Control key and C. Then, we can open the Formatting Cells window and paste the symbol into the type field by pressing the Control key and V. Once you have completed the formatting, select the OK button. You can now enter numbers and figures into the cells, and the degree symbol will be automatically added directly after them. If you want to learn how to add different symbols to your Excel documents, Sheet Leveler has a range of helpful videos that can show you. You can find a series of tutorials titled How to Insert Symbols in Excel in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.